hello there. I'm gonna start again. Hey everyone, today I have a new vlog for you all. Today we are in Yosemite National Park. We're going to be here for the next few days, so I'm going to be vlogging my time here, and I still want this to be an educational photography related vlog. So I will take you through like my thought process behind like different shots that I'm taking, whether it's landscape or portraits or astrophotography. We will see where this trip takes us. Right now we are in Tulum Meadows. I have never visited Tulum Meadows before, even though I've been to Yosemite. This is my third visit and it is so beautiful. This river behind me looks amazing. If you haven't seen it yet, I did also vlog the first half of our trip, which was in Colorado during the autumn. So if you want to check that vlog out, I'll leave it linked in the description below. Just like that video, since this is the same trip, the only camera I have with me is the Sony A7III. This is the camera that I'm using to make all these vlogs, and also the camera I'm using for all the photography on this trip. I also brought two lenses with me. I have the Sony 28mm f2, which I'm using to film these videos, and I also use it to take photos here and there as well. And I also brought the Canon 35mm 1.4 Mark II with the Metabones 4 adapter for more photography related things. But yeah, we're gonna start driving into Yosemite and I'll just film everything that happens. Just walking around Tulum Meadows, and I absolutely love this kind of like fieldy area. And there's also really beautiful backlight right here. I think what I might do, I'm gonna ask Dan to get a photo of me wherever he is. And I think I'm gonna stand like right there to get some beautiful backlight, or maybe even sitting in the grass might be nice. We will see.
With slow beating hearts, we are drowning in dreams, ready to suffer. We are losing our ways, wasting away. We are soft and afraid. Stop turning your pillows, crawl and play, taste and shout, call your brothers.
This is the expectation of Glacier Point, and then this is the reality. All the people taking photos. We're just sitting. We're basically gonna wait until the iPhone can't shoot in the light anymore, and then we'll bump up the ISO on our Sony cameras and maybe get some shots where it's a little bit more empty.
Stumbling out of the bar, I'm picking up change off the street. Yeah, I'm cruising around slightly buzzed, music blaring.
We are currently taking photos at the Half Dome. The sun is pretty much set. It's kind of like blue hour at the moment. So I'm gonna ask Dan to step forward a little bit. It looks like we're really close to the edge, but we're not. We are being very careful. So I'm kind of framing it like this. So you've got like his legs like a bit cut off at the knees, but you can still see the dome in the shot as well. And then I'm also taking full body portrait shots as well, but that might be a bit weird in video. I feel like that looks really cool if you line up Dan with the mountain, like right in the middle. He's like off to the side now, but yeah, that's what we're doing. There's the shot. And I'm on ISO 1250, f1.4, 1/250 for the photos. I think. I don't know. I'll put the correct settings with the images.
Mate, it's so lit. Except if you have your phone on, it looks ridiculous. Turn your phone on. There you go. Should we do the landscape shots here?
We pretty much spent the whole day kind of walking around. We went to some waterfalls. We've almost finished the Sony A7III vs A7S Mark II video, which has now been filmed across 3 different states in America, but I think when it comes together, it's going to be a really cool video and I can't wait to show you guys. So I really hope you like it.
3, 2, get ready for...
What are you going to do?
Go. 3, 2, 1. Whee!
I wasn't focused.
Oh.
Just wait till it... straight away, so it was like kind of pointless. Burning.
What do you want?
Oh, what Polaroid camera do you use? A Lomo?
Yeah.
Does it have any other name?
A Lomo Instant.
Alright, we'll take a photo of you.
Food camera. Tell me when.
Oh, you can see through the viewfinder. Wow. Alright. Alright, gonna take
now
a
it's
photo of June. 1, 2, 3. I think the lighting is better the other way. Because look, I'm not a landscape photographer, but I do like to keep an eye out for lighting to get the nicest possible photos. Something in this direction, for example, you've got the harsh sun over there in the far background, and then the trees in the foreground are in the shadow. So it makes it, like, it can make an interesting shot, maybe like that, but it is a bit too high contrast for my liking. I actually like to do backlit photos with landscapes. I think that looks really nice, and also just full shade is probably even better as well.
We were a lovely combination. Too safe, I thought
Yes.
no one could break. I realized I was wrong.
Oh, cool. When you see a good tree.
He's always stealing my shots, isn't it?
Can you show us a Polaroid? How the last one I took turned out? Doesn't focus that close. There we go. Oh, that turned out really good.
I know.
Oh, nice. But you can't see the mountains at the back because they were overexposed from the sun.
Oh, look at Jules. Jules' tech tips. And then we got this one.
Oh, that's of Bridal Veil Falls? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
I did the high contrast Polaroids.
Yeah, you're good at that. This Polaroid camera vignettes a lot, in my opinion, but it looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's gonna be cool. How does your Polaroid camera work?
Sometimes you gotta... There we go, see?
Yay!
A minute later.
What a tool you've become, used for demolition. What a wreck you've made me.
Didn't even budge.
You live without fear, now I live without love. Waiting on a moment, this is the hallmark of our love.
I'm back home in Australia. As you can see, I have a change of scenery behind me, and I'm currently editing the vlog that you guys just watched. And I quickly realized that I needed to chop it in half because otherwise it was going to be a crazy 25 or 30 minute long video. So that is the end of part 1 from our travels to Yosemite National Park. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. Part 2 of the rest of our trip will be up this Saturday. So this entire video was filmed on the Sony A7III, and all the photos that I took and showed you guys in this video were also taken on the A7III. And I wrote down on each of the pictures which lens I used for the photos as well. So please let me know what you guys thought of the video and the photos and the lenses, because I would love to hear back from you. Since I'm back home now and I've edited all the photos this time compared to when I was filming my Colorado vlog, I edited all my pictures with my Florence Lightroom preset. I thought the filmy, warm look of that preset really suited the photos from Yosemite. So I would really love if you guys would like to check out some of my presets. I also have a few free Lightroom presets, and I have a few free Photoshop actions and curves as well, if you guys want to try downloading them and playing around with them. But yeah, aside from that, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please look forward to part 2, which is coming on Saturday. I make new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so I will see you all next time. Bye!